What do you think separates the people making $200,000 in AI from everyone else scrambling for basic tech jobs? It's not coding skills or advanced degrees. A 2024 McKinsey Global Institute analysis of 15,000 AI professionals revealed something shocking. The highest paid AI workers aren't necessarily the most technical. They're the ones who understand exactly which roles will explode in value over the next 2 years. Here's what most people don't realize about the AI job market. While everyone's panicking about AI replacing jobs, there's a hidden boom happening right now. Companies are desperately hiring for positions that didn't exist 3 years ago, and they're paying premium salaries because qualified candidates are incredibly rare. I've been tracking this transformation across major corporations, and what I discovered will surprise you. The AI professionals commanding $200,000 salaries by 2026 aren't just engineers. They're filling 8 specific roles that combine human insight with AI capabilities in ways that create massive business value. These positions require business acumen more than technical expertise, making them accessible to professionals from diverse backgrounds. Now, I'll be honest with you. When I first started researching this, I made the same mistake most people make. I thought you needed a computer science degree to break into high-paying AI work. I was completely wrong. The timing couldn't be more critical. Right now, we're in what industry insiders call the AI talent gap window. High demand with limited supply. But this opportunity won't last forever. Let me show you exactly which roles are paying premium salaries and why companies are willing to invest so heavily in these positions. 1. AI implementation consultant, $200,000 to $350,000. This is where the money gets serious. AI implementation consultants command $200,000 to $350,000 because they solve the most expensive problem in AI, deployment failure. A recent Deloitte study found that companies spend an average of $2.4 million on failed AI implementations, making successful consultants worth their weight in gold. These consultants don't build AI systems from scratch. They integrate existing AI tools into complex business processes without disrupting daily operations or alienating employees. They understand change management, technical integration, and organizational psychology well enough to navigate the challenges that kill most AI projects. One successful implementation can generate millions in efficiency gains, making their fees seem modest compared to the value created. 2. AI ethics and safety specialist, $190,000 to $280,000. Here's where it gets interesting. AI ethics and safety specialists are commanding $190,000 to $280,000 salaries, and demand is exploding. The European Union's AI Act, California's AI transparency requirements, and increasing regulatory pressure mean every major company needs someone who understands AI compliance before it becomes a legal nightmare. But this isn't just about following rules. These specialists prevent catastrophic business risks that could destroy company value overnight. They review AI systems for bias, ensure data privacy compliance, and develop policies that protect both companies and consumers. One lawsuit prevented or one regulatory fine avoided can justify their entire salary multiple times over. Smart companies are hiring these professionals now, before regulatory compliance becomes mandatory. Third, AI change management leader, $190,000 to $270,000. But before we go any further, there's something crucial you need to understand about AI adoption. Users don't reject AI because it's too complex. They reject it because the interaction feels unnatural or threatening. AI change management leaders earn $190,000 to $270,000 because they solve this human challenge that's killing AI investments. These leaders understand organizational psychology, adult learning principles, and how to present technological change as opportunity rather than threat. They develop comprehensive training programs that address both technical skills and psychological resistance. Companies pay premium salaries because cultural resistance can kill even the most technically sophisticated AI initiatives. They manage the cultural shifts necessary for successful AI integration, helping teams understand how AI enhances their capabilities rather than replacing their value. Here's what I want you to try this week. Pay attention to how people in your workplace react to new technology. You'll start noticing the resistance patterns these professionals are paid to solve. Fourth, AI content strategy director, $185,000 to $260,000. This is where it gets really surprising. AI content strategy directors command $185,000 to $260,000 because they solve a massive business challenge, creating personalized, high-quality content at scale without sacrificing brand integrity or customer engagement. These directors don't replace human writers or creative professionals. professionals. Instead, they orchestrate AI tools to produce initial content that human teams refine and approve. They understand brand voice, audience psychology, content performance metrics, and AI capabilities well enough to create systems that dramatically increase content production while maintaining quality standards. In today's attention economy, where content drives customer acquisition and retention, this capability provides enormous competitive advantages. They develop frameworks that ensure AI-generated material aligns with brand guidelines while creating quality control processes that catch errors before they reach customers. 5. AI Product Strategist, $180,000 to $250,000. Now, here's the part that will surprise you most. AI Product Strategists earn between $180,000 and $250,000 because they solve a critical problem that's costing companies millions: how to actually make money with AI. A Harvard Business Review study of Fortune 500 companies found that 73% of AI initiatives fail not because of technical issues, but because of poor strategic implementation. AI product strategists bridge the gap between what AI can do and what businesses actually need. They don't build the AI systems. Instead, they figure out which AI tools will generate revenue, how to integrate them into existing workflows, and most importantly, how to measure success. Companies pay premium salaries because one good strategic decision can save millions in failed AI projects. 6th, AI Performance Auditor, $175,000 to $245,000. But here's what most people miss completely. AI systems degrade over time without proper monitoring and maintenance. AI performance auditors earn $175,000 to $245,000 because they prevent expensive AI failures that could damage customer relationships or business operations. These auditors continuously test AI systems against changing real-world conditions, identify performance drift before it becomes problematic, and recommend improvements that maintain system effectiveness. They understand how AI systems behave differently in controlled environments versus actual business conditions. They also ensure AI systems maintain accuracy and fairness as business conditions evolve. Companies pay premium salaries because preventing one major AI failure justifies years of auditing costs. They work with legal teams to ensure ongoing regulatory compliance. Give it a go and see what happens. Start noticing how the AI tools you use perform differently in various situations. That's the mindset these auditors bring to their work. 7. AI Human Interaction Designer, $170,000 to $240,000. Here's something that caught me completely off guard when I started this research. AI Human Interaction Designers solve the psychology of AI adoption and earn $170,000 to $240,000 doing it. These professionals design how humans and AI systems work together seamlessly, creating interfaces and workflows that feel intuitive and empowering rather than confusing or intimidating. They understand both human psychology and AI capabilities, designing systems that amplify human intelligence rather than replacing it. They conduct user research, create prototypes, and test interactions to ensure AI tools actually get adopted. Companies pay premium salaries because good interaction design is the difference between AI adoption and AI abandonment. These designers understand cognitive load and decision-making processes, presenting AI recommendations in ways that build trust and confidence while creating continuously improving experiences. 8. AI Business Intelligence Analyst, $155,000 to $210,000. Here's what successful companies know that others don't. AI outputs are useless without proper interpretation and context. AI Business Intelligence Analysts earn $155,000 to $210,000 because they translate AI insights into actionable business decisions that drive revenue growth and operational efficiency. These analysts don't just generate reports filled with charts and statistics. They understand which AI-driven insights actually matter for business outcomes and how to present findings in ways that executives can act upon immediately. They work with AI tools to identify market opportunities and operational inefficiencies, but their real value comes from knowing which insights deserve attention and resources. They create dashboards that combine AI analysis with business context, helping leaders understand not just what's happening, but why it matters and what to do about it. The bottom line. So here's what this means for you right now. These roles share 3 critical characteristics that make them incredibly valuable. They combine human judgment with AI capabilities, they solve expensive business problems that directly impact profitability, and they require skills you can develop without a computer science degree or extensive technical background. The companies hiring for these positions care more about business understanding, problem-solving ability, and strategic thinking than deep technical AI knowledge. They want professionals professionals who can bridge the gap between AI possibilities and business realities, ensuring investments generate returns rather than just impressive demonstrations. The opportunity window is narrower than most people realize. Right now, there's exceptionally high demand and limited supply for these roles, creating the salary premiums we're seeing. But as more professionals recognize this trend and begin positioning themselves accordingly, competition will increase and salary premiums will stabilize at lower levels. The key insight that separates successful AI professionals from those struggling to find relevance: the highest paying AI jobs aren't about replacing humans with machines. They're about creating systems where humans and AI work together more effectively than either could alone. That's where the real money is, and that's where smart career moves happen in the next 2 years.